It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 9th International World Dental and Oral Health Congress, Asia Series. Of this prestigious Congress has gathered a large number of registrations across the globe with 300 plus scientific papers and posters.
I have also seen lots of charitable work done by World Dental Council in our Tamil Nadu. One of them is sponsoring underprivileged children to undergo a successful life.
Many stalwarts has come here in every specialty, in our specialty, to give a lecture. I will request all the students, we didn't get opportunity in our student life to hear or listen or gather some knowledge from these stalwarts.